Going? My name is LittleDude21 and welcome back to another vlog. Yeah, I have some sad news for you all today. Basically, the problem is my Minecraft keeps on crashing. I only have 200 megabytes of storage. It's crazy. Hopefully I can free up some storage. Get away, balloon. Hopefully I can free up some storage and I can play Minecraft again, because I really want to carry on with my survival series and maybe put shaders in, but actually thinking about that, my computer's pretty laggy, so I don't know. But today we're going to be going to I've forgotten. Wow. Okay, so I've remembered. We're going to the viewing platform at the airport at Manchester. So we're going to watch some aeroplanes take off and land and do some stuff. Stop pointing up there. But yeah, we're going to be doing that today, and oh my goodness, it is sunny. Look at that. So, we're going to be doing that, and I will get ready, do some stuff. Let's go. We're now at the airport viewing thing. And we've just seen a couple of airplanes. One was about to go and one was just about to leave. So honestly, this is amazing. They go really fast as well. So it's looking pretty cool so far. And hey, you know what we could do? I could do a time lapse. Should we do a time lapse? Let's do that. We are now back to have our lunch in the car because it is absolutely freezing. I hope you enjoyed those time lapses. I certainly enjoyed doing them, and I really enjoy watching the aeroplanes. I'm starving now and I'm freezing. Let's have some lunch. So guys, we've just had our lunch, which is awesome, and now we're going to be going to see, as the last thing, we're going to go and see the Concorde, which is in this place at the cafe. So yeah, we're gonna go and see the Concorde, and let's go. So it turns out that you have to book to see the Concorde, which is a shame, but I guess it kind of makes sense because it is a very special plane. So there's an aeroplane down here which looks like you can go, I don't know, you might be able to get in, I'm not sure. And if not, we can just have a look at it. So we're going to have a look at this one instead, I guess. And it's still freezing, and the only reason it's freezing is it's a bit windy. There's an aeroplane behind us. Luckily, not right behind us, or else I'd get run over. Let's go and have a look at this one. Just been to see those airplanes, and we're going to go into Manchester now just quickly, and then we're going to head home. So it's been really cool. I really liked it, and I'd like to come again. Ooh, some glasses here, just so random. So yeah, we're going to head into Manchester quickly, and then we'll go home, so let's go.
So yeah,
back home, and we've had an awesome day yet again, as we always do in our vlogs. And yeah, we've had a really good day. The weather's been awesome, and well, on the way home, it started snowing a bit. Well, in fact, it snowed quite a bit for about 5 minutes, and then it stopped. But yeah, we've had yet another awesome day, and I am going to have to end the video here. So if you did enjoy this video, then please make sure to smash that like button down below and subscribe for more of these amazing vlogs. And as always, I'll catch you next time. Bye bye.